Namaste everyone. I'm Sharanya Nitin Salvi from Borivali, Mumbai, and my group number is 1. Today I'll be speaking on the topic our Bharat, beginning with the history of the country. The first thing we need to know is how our country got its name Bharat. It is one of the beliefs that our country was named after the great King Bharat, the son of King Dushyant and Shakuntala. It is one of the seventh largest country in the world. Bharat is also known by different names such as Bharatvarsh, Aryavarta and Hindustan. Bharat is a great country with variety of culture, religion, caste, creed, and irrespective of that, we all live together happily. That's the reason Bharat is famous for the common saying of unity in diversity. Our country is surrounded by water from three sides: Bay of Bengal in the east, Arabian Sea in the west, and Indian Ocean in the south. It is one of the second most populated country in the world. Jana Gana Mana is the national anthem of our country. Vande Mataram is the national song. Tiger is the national animal. Peacock is the national bird. Lotus is the national flower. Mango, the national fruit, and hockey is the national sport of India. People from different religions such as Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism, Sikhism, Islam, Christianity, and Judaism have been living together since the ancient times. Now, talking about our India's art and architecture. India is very famous for its beautiful art, and it's also rich in monuments, tombs, churches, temples, historical buildings, museums, wildlife sanctuaries, etc. Now, speaking about our India's flag. The Indian flag is a tricolored flag. The first and the uppermost color is saffron. The color stands for purity. The second and the middle color is white. The color stands for peace. The white color has an Ashoka Chakra of blue color on it. The Ashoka Chakra is made up of 24 spokes which are equally divided. The third and the lowermost color is green. The color green stands for fertility, and we all know that India is blessed with abundant variety of crops. India is divided into 29 states and 7 union territories. The Republic Day is observed on 26th of January every year. The Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August every year. So this was all about the country India, the information about observed on 26th of January every year. The Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August every year. So this was all about the country India, the information about the country. Now I'll be speaking about what I have observed living in this country for many years. India is well known for its spirituality, philosophy, science, and technology. Many people from outside India have started coming to India to learn the science and technology. Many people's mind has been attracted to India's beauty. The Indian soldiers are staying on borders to protect our country from terrorists. Many great leaders and freedom fighters have taken birth in our very own country, Bharat. Farming and agriculture is the backbone of the country. India is blessed with n number of crops with different varieties. We speak different languages, we worship many gods, and yet we all have the same spirit of India. Bharat is a great country where diversity exists with strong unity and peace. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.